Not only are we all biologically, evolutionarily, and universally engineered and manufactured differently to exist in the world for the achievement of different ends, accomplishment of different purposes, and realization of different goals and meanings into our differentiated lives. And not only are we all different and fundamentally differentiated from each other as human beings because of this differentiation that comes to us, or by using which we're manufactured and engineered by evolution by the universe, but we all are essentially brought up differently in one way or another because our families are different, because they were brought up differently, because ultimately we are the combination and composition of not only the present society, education, and all the other artificial constructs and institutions that we have created over millennia and refined it to perfection and normalcy. And not only are we all products of our families' upbringing, teaching, and education's brainwashing and religious drama, but we are essentially the conscious material or the unconscious products of all the men and women that have ever lived or existed before ourselves. So all the people who have always been existing before us, somehow, somewhere connected with us, and we are also connected with those people because they were the roots. Without that continuation of humanity, we cannot continue to the present. We would not have existed in the present had those not people exist in the past. We would not be able to exist in the present and continue humanity into the future if those people had not existed. So was it not for the people of the past? If those people did not exist with education, character, power, biology, then those powers or insufficiencies or weaknesses would not be into us either. So we're all brought up differently because our parents, families, upbringing are all different in one way or another. So ultimately, it's all about upbringing, but it's about biology, genetics, and the unconscious content also that we received unknowingly from the people of the past in one way or another. So, because everyone's upbringing is different, everyone's character, personality also influences differently, it evolves differently. Some people have had traumatic childhoods, but others have had very good, authentic, stable, consistent, and happy sort of childhoods. So the differentiation ultimately is going to be powerfully visible and influenced in the adulthood, where there will be fundamental differences in the traumatic people and in the happy, consistent sort of people, as well as in their personality. But both are different, both are made for different reasons, ends, achievements,